turn your engine off and set the parking brake. In this video, we'll show you how to safely lift the front and back of your Nissan Altima using standard lifting tools. You will simply need a jack, a pair of jack stands. Your Nissan Altima must be on level, smooth ground. You must be on the ground where your car will be balanced, where the jack stands cannot slip, and especially where your jack can accompany the movement of the car at the same time as it lifts it. First of all, if the operation requires removing the wheels, start by loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. For front lifting, insert the jack under the vehicle at door level and rest on the lifting point, which is a solid base for lifting, and then securing your vehicle in complete safety. You can place the jack stand under a robust part of the chassis, such as the front control arm rear bushing retaining bolt. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. You can now remove the wheel if needed. For safety, slip it under the vehicle for additional protection. If you need to lift both sides of your Altima, repeat the steps for the other side. To put your Altima back on the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the wheel hub if necessary, and retighten the nuts until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your Altima until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. Finalize the tightening of the wheel if necessary. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. To lift the rear of your Nissan Altima, you can place the jack under the rear lifting point. You can place the jack stand under the rear support points as shown in this video. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. To lower the back of your vehicle to the ground, reposition the jack and raise your Altima until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. You can now safely perform many of the operations on your Nissan Altima. Operation complete.